Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to use Google Keep as an student. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. First of all, just simply open your Keep Notes application, and into here you will get bunch of options. The first thing you should do here is to keep the notes. Now in order to keep the notes and take track, just simply tap into this plus button and create a new title. I'm naming this Science Notes, and after naming your notes you can write down all of the informations into this section, and after storing the informations you can look at it anytime you want in the future. This way you can easily note anything related to some topics into the notes application without the pen and notebook in any situation. And after briefing the first feature, let's move on into the second one. You should make a schedule for your school or colleges. Now in order to do that, just simply make another title and name it as to do, and then list anything that you have to do today. For example, I want to do homework, and you can also set the reminder for that. In order to set that reminder, just simply tap into this option into top, and from there you will get the options as you want. For example, I'm selecting this option and I want to do my homework at tomorrow 8 a.m. in the morning. This way you can use notes as students very effectively. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update. Thank you for watching the video.